Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to set take break reminders on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile. Tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner. From the menu, tap on the Your Activity option. Then tap on Time Spent. Here you will see the Set Reminder to Take Breaks option. Tap on it. Now choose the time you want to get reminded to take a break. Once you choose the time, tap on Done. And Instagram will remind you to take a break after a set time. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to set take break reminders on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.